To all the girls I've loved before,
Mano dah.
they traveled in and out my door. I'm glad they came along. I dedicate a song to all the girls I've loved before. To all the girls I once caressed, and may I say I've held the best for helping me to grow. I owe a lot, I know, to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. To all the girls who shared my life, who are now someone else's wives, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate a song to all the girls I've loved before. Mr.
Julio.
To all the girls who cared for me, who filled my life with ecstasy, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate a song to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. To all the girls we've loved before, that traveled in and out our door, we're glad they came along. I dedicate a song to all the girls we've loved before. To all the girls we've loved before, we traveled in and out our door. I'm glad they came along. I dedicate a song to all the girls we've loved